Hi, Vanessa Donaldson here, your reset coach. Today I'm talking about nature breaks. So get ready, set, slow. Slow down. Don't rush. Take a break with me. Doing the van life has taught me the value and importance of getting back to nature. How can nature inspire, connect, and guide you? My inspiration comes from the Holy Bible. When you experience anxiety, read Proverbs 3, verses 5 to 6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to Him, and He will make your paths straight. Is it time to recharge your life? To continue our conversation, you can reach me at resetwithvanessa.com.